Hello friends, today we will talk about catheter associated urinary tract infection. It is also called CAUTI. Catheter are cause of CAUTI. Catheter drain urine from bladder into collection bag. Patient may need catheter after surgery or when patient is not able to control bladder function, and when there is a need to closely monitor how much urine kidneys are producing. Now let's talk about the symptom of CAUTI, that is catheter associated urinary tract infection. You can watch video on UTI on my YouTube channel. It has a similar symptom to a typical urinary tract infection. These include cloudy urine, blood in urine, strong urine odor, urine leakage around catheter, pressure or pain in lower abdomen, or discomfort in your lower back. Sometimes chills with fever, unexplained fatigue and vomiting. This can be difficult to diagnose in a patient who is hospitalized because these symptoms may be part of the original illness. In elderly people, changes in mental status or confusion can be signs of a catheter associated urinary tract infection. Now let's discuss about causes of catheter associated urinary tract infection. Bacteria or fungi may enter urinary tract via the catheter. Once inside the body, these start multiplying and thus causes infection. There are a number of ways infection can occur during catheterization, like the catheter may become contaminated upon insertion, delayed emptying of bag, bacteria from a bowel movement may get on the catheter, urine in the catheter bag may flow backward into the bladder, the catheter may not be cleaned. How is catheter associated urinary tract infection is diagnosed? It is diagnosed using a urinary test. Urine analysis can detect the white blood cell in urine which indicate infection. Another useful test is urine culture. This test identifies any microbe, that may be bacteria or fungi, in urine. But if the patient is asymptomatic, there is no symptom, even that there is some white blood cell in urine or culture shows some infections, some bacteria or fungi, that is not a urinary tract infection. They are not require any treatment. But patient have a symptom with urine analysis show white blood cell and urine culture show an infection, it should be treated. And ultrasound also helpful for our diagnosis, that may detect retained urine in the bladder which can be the cause of urinary tract infection. Now come on the complications of a CAUTI, that is catheter associated urinary tract infection. Immediate treatment of CAUTI is essential, and untreated UTI can lead to a more serious kidney infection, that is called pyelonephritis. In addition, people with catheter may already have conditions that compromise their immune systems. Fighting of a CAUTI can cause further immune system stress. This you are more vulnerable to future infections. Now let's talk about the treatment part of the CAUTI, because CAUTI is more resistant to treatment than a normal urinary tract infection. They are dangerous because they can lead to severe kidney infections and patient may require recurrent hospitalization. CAUTI can be treated by antibiotics, some antispasmodic medications, and removal or change of the catheter. Along with the patient should increase the fluid intake, which help in flushing out of bacteria from urinary system. Certain fluid should be avoided, like alcohol, citrus fruit juices, caffeinated beverages such as soda. Now let's discuss about the most important part of today's talk, that is prevention of catheter associated urinary tract infection. Clean insertion and removal technique can help lower the risk of catheter associated urinary tract infection. They should not be left in longer than needed and removed as soon as possible. The risk of catheter-associated urinary infection can be reduced by ensuring the catheter are used only when needed, clean around the catheter daily, clean the skin around the catheter daily, keep the drainage bag below your bladder, empty the drainage bag several times per day, do not tug or pull on the tubing, wash your hand before and after touching the catheter or drainage bag. Change the catheter at least once per month. Do not twist or kink the catheter tubing. So friends, I hope I have answered most of your questions related to catheter associated urinary tract infection. Stay healthy, stay happy.